Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to draw a table in MS Word. Friends, you can very easily make a customized table by drawing it in your Word document. Now in your document, you need to click on Insert. In Insert, you will find the option of Table. Now here you will find the option of Drawing Table. Now here you need to make a rectangle first. Now in your rectangle, you can very easily make columns and rows. Now as you can see, with the help of drawing table, I have made a customized table very easily. So after drawing your table, you can start entering your data. So friends, like this you can very easily draw a table in your Word document. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.